Gee, guys, look at this. This is one of my auntie's Pansy's car, as you can see, which is a little bit dirty, which I can show you guys around. As you can see, you see, that's my auntie's Pansy's old car before she passed away. But she cannot use her car, because she died. Now, last 4 months. I would say last 5 months. God, I really miss Pansy so much. Which is right now, it's bad. As you can see, the water right here just rise up, and that's road right here, and take down the tree completely. Which I'm just completely upset, because it just happens all the time, you know? You're just bad. I just kind of feel bad for Pansy right now. So, which right now, because there's Jesus and angels up in sky heaven watches us completely. Which I'm completely impressed. So.